AMC is currently continuing to grow. This is very good. Right now, positions will come out with huge pluses everywhere, as you can see. Also, if everything goes well, I plan to close out 15 sold put options on AMC this week. Let's see how much these put options will bring me. We have a table for that. I will definitely attach this table in the description. Look at what 5 options will bring me almost $500 and another 10 options will bring me $600. Therefore, the total will be $1,000 if all goes well. Again, AMC has hardly moved from the starting point of 437, but with skillful risk management, one can make such money. But again, I'm not predicting the price. I have no idea where the price of AMC will go. I just don't know. And I assure you, those who say that AMC will go up or down, no one knows about it. The question is how money is made. You see all this in live broadcasting, skillful risk management. Look, I already have realized profits. Absolutely all the steps I took, you can see them in this playlist dedicated to AMC. Here, absolutely all my trades are analyzed. I don't want to present a disclaimer. Under no circumstances should you replicate trades after me. They are done by a professional only. You will definitely lose money. I guarantee you, if you sell options without insurance, you will simply lose all your money. And here, only demo accounts are used, virtual accounts. Everything is step by step, not exclusively for educational purposes. The disclaimer is over. Let's have a look at the realized profit from the sale of 10 puts again. It's $359, and I decide to complement the strategy how I will completely buy AMC with all this realized profit. Let's adjust the table a little bit. The total profit is $359, and here, for example, I will place new positions. Again, what I will do with all my profit, which I earned with a combination of sold options, bought options, and so on, I will buy AMC shares. Currently, let's see, I earned $359, and at the moment, I buy 77 shares. There, I've acquired, as you can see, the position is like this. It turned out to be even 78 equals purchase price for me is $458. And in the end, I acquired 78 AMC shares for $54. Again, for $357. Again, I remind you, all this happens on a demo account. It just describes the logic building a position. Under no circumstances am I encouraging you to replicate or do anything similar. What's my goal? Again, my goal is not to make money, but to outperform AMC in this case. And to completely outperform AMC, I must at least neutralize the deltas, that is, buy the same amount of shares. And my plan at the moment with the earned money from sales, exclusively from the earnings from the sale of options, is to buy shares, and once I reach 2,000, that's it. I'll practically have outperformed so far this plan also for further actions. I will not take any. We wait again. The logic should be simple. You should not have more than 1 or 2 trades a day. You should accumulate it in parts. Sold. Then why I have such good positions that I haven't opened everything at once. But gradually, and as you can see, I've already closed 4, 4.5 were bought, and here for such an amount that is more profitable. Don't be afraid to miss out. You need to make this plan for the future. Let's go back to AMC. What do I think? Again, I remind you of my philosophy. I will always talk about it for you to remember it in your minds as a mantra. No one knows where the stock will go. All this is guesswork. Can it go up? Yes, no problem. Can it do some squeeze, short it to 10? Maybe. Likewise, it could also fall in even lower. All my positions, my friends, are hedged with bought puts and everything else. At the same time, I have near the money bought calls. What will happen after the report? Before the report, I will definitely record a video. We will see. Also, I will always show you this chart. No one will show it. Everyone shows some nonsense like how many short shares we have at the moment. But in reality, my friends, you need to look at volatility, solely at volatility. What does volatility say now? As you can see, volatility is jumping up very strongly, 116, 114, 119. Volatility jumps up before the report or before some important events. What does this mean? Because it's very profitable to sell options. But again, I strongly do not recommend you trade without expertise. If you have any questions, write in the comments or email me. I'll respond to everyone. Friends, on this example, it's been literally a few weeks. And as you know, to show good profit, I lay down several years. Yes, that is, a few weeks absolutely mean nothing and do not guarantee anything. And yet, look at what we're doing. We sold puts well. We bought insurance. We're starting to build a position in AMC. Sooner or later, through all the natural, let's say, scenarios, if I close out options at 5, and with this $1,000, I'll be able to load up on AMC. And you understand? Yes, I'll catch up with AMC, and that's it. It will already be a complete victory. They won't surpass me anymore. Again, everything. We'll summarize at the end of the week. I always do this. Why? To not clutter the chart or have fewer lines here. Because if we summarize every week, it will take some time to scroll through. Not convenient. But this line is not very interesting. Yes, and we'll structure them more. That is, it's advisable to summarize every month. That would be very good. But for you, I'm ready to summarize every week and record, again, videos about AMC, what I did, what plans I have. Someone might start now saying, such a candle is forming, a hanging man candle is forming. Forget about it. It doesn't work. It's not professional, but portfolio management. That's it. Nothing else. Subscribe to the channel. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Like the videos. You'll find a lot of interesting stuff here. Just look at the logic. The most important thing is to understand the logic of managing positions. And also write in the comments. I'll absolutely respond to all comments. I guarantee you that.